bit of a surprise today. We are at the old cheese factory at Berwick. Though it's said old cheese factory, we are not here for visiting that as of now. This is a farmers market. So what you see behind are different farmers directly bringing their farm produce to kind of sell it here direct to the customer. जैसे हमारे यहाँ नहीं होता flea market या weekly bazaar. So this is the hostel and weekly bazaar in Berwick, Melbourne. So आइए देखते हैं क्या क्या है यहाँ पे और if there is any difference in what you buy at Woolworths or Coles to what you buy at farmers market. Stay tuned.
Great example of infrastructure. This pole here is offering shore power to all of these vehicles, which are in different levels of their furnishing, are mobile shops. Few of them have fridges for serving cold beverages. Few of them have coffee machine. That's for you.
After checking the farmers market, we are at the old cheese factory at Berwick. So आपको दिखाते हैं चीज़ फैक्ट्री में हमको क्या देखने को मिलता है. Do they allow us to take a look at चीज़ कैसे बनता है and all of those sorts. Stay tuned. This cheese factory is operational since 1850. Can you believe that?
Centuries before, they would collect the milk from the pastures in this milk cart and bring it to the cheese factory, heating it, boiling it, processing it, and making it into the fine cheese, the fine Australian cheese. Exquisite botanical garden in the premise of Old Cheese Factory.
The pomegranate tree and a pomegranate.
Thanks for joining us here. Stay tuned. Do watch our other videos. If you like our content, do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and let us know how do you see our journey down under. Thanks a lot. Good day and take care. Bye-bye.